What do you call a man with no shins? Tony.
Head on my way.
Oh, look, we got snacks for us.
Oh, sweet. What you want? What you don't want?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, they got Gatorade.
These motherfuckers foul, huh?
What the f*** are you doing?
You didn't give me a tip.
What's that got to do with it?
Because it was rude. You should give your delivery driver a tip.
Why should I?
Because I literally walked half an hour to deliver a burger and a milkshake.
You're paid to do that.
Tipping culture is getting out of hand.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just want to say it's a nice house for a $5 tip.
You're welcome.
Fuck you.
Camera recording.
Oh, cool.
Hey, get back! Go! You okay, buddy? You're alright. It's gone now. You're safe. Let's get you inside, okay?